Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little vlog. I hope that you enjoy. I'm meeting with Megan to record the pod and take some pics and stuff like that today, so I'll bring you along with me. I'm going to record a get ready with me, which will probably be going up before this video, so if you missed that, don't forget to go and watch it. Yeah, so I've just kind of been sitting here for the morning on my laptop getting a few bits of work done. God, I just look wrecked. Like, I just look absolutely exhausted. Like, you'd swear I didn't sleep. Like, I really do sleep, so I don't know why I always look and feel so tired. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoy the vlog. It's a bit of a random one, but hopefully you'll like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So guys, I ordered from Beauty Buys. This one is for my best friend because she wants to try it too, so we just ordered together because I think delivery is like €7 and I'm literally going to see her tomorrow, so I'll bring it up then. But this came, I think I only ordered this yesterday, so yeah, it came literally the next day. Yeah, I know, it's so fun to love hand sanitizer. Yeah, I ordered from Beauty Buys, and I asked on my Instagram story for your purple shampoo recommendations, and so many that I want to try, but this one just seemed like 1,000 mils for €15. Like, you can't go wrong, and so many people were recommending it, and it's sulfate free, so I can use it with my hair extensions, also vegan. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'll let you guys know how I get on with this. If you are wondering about the other ones, I will save them all to a highlight on my Instagram because there's a lot of them that I want to try. I really need to start looking after my hair more because I've just been neglecting it a bit. I feel like I used to just buy any old shampoo, and I'd only just bought ones that were good. And then I got hair extensions and they're not actually sulfate free, and I've still just been using them, so I need to get another normal one that's sulfate free too. I'm gonna try a Kerastase one because I've tried them before and I really like them. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. I'll link it down below for you. We'll just wave and then you can put it in your vlog. Oh yeah, we're just recording the big fat pod. Anyway, okay, let's start. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Unfiltered. So since we left, you probably like the main thing that's happened is the Oscars. Yeah, the only thing I really pay attention to, and oh my god, your laptop's touchscreen, that's so cool. I know, yeah. Wow. Daddy, isn't it? So cool. Yeah, so I watched them, Emma didn't, even though she was meant to. I watched the highlights. Oh, did you? I took some notes when I was watching it for the podcast. I feel like everything was just like I didn't see anything except for the fact that Will Smith punched someone. I'll go through it then and you can just give me a reaction, so. Okay. And tell me if you saw it. Yeah. Okay, so there's 3 female hosts. I love that. I was living for it. Amy Schumer. I forget the other 2 girls' names. Oh no. But I wasn't a fan of what Amy Schumer was wearing and her hair.
I'll show you now.
I'm trying to think of who she even is. Like, I'm so
She's a comedian.
bad.
She's really funny.
Is she?
Yeah.
So
I thought
bad
she was
at
funny.
knowing
Some people were giving out, like they
God.
always do.
I know her name, but oh yeah, I do actually know her.
This is her, and then this is what she was wearing. So for those that didn't see, she was wearing this kind of like dress with a bow at her like boobs.
It's like a
and it's like navy
bow embroidered on or something, is it?
It's like she put like a Christmas decoration around her neck. Like I'm not here for it. And then her hair is like to the side straight and then has one curl in it.
Yeah, it looks like her hair's falling out and her makeup's come off. It looks like it's the end of the night.
That was the first 5 minutes. So I really wasn't happy with that. Like, they could have done such a better job.
Yeah, like I've seen a lot worse dresses, but it's not nice.
No, it's not nice. I wasn't a fan, and they could have done better. Yeah, so I feel like people don't dress themselves. Like,
no, of course,
you know what I mean. Like
if you're a host on it, you're not. But you'd still have a say.
The other two hosts look good though.
Yeah, they do. How come they're both in all white and she's not? Like, why didn't they all do white? Or
yeah, I know.
They should have like put their outfits, like made their outfits match or go together.
I love heartbroken.
Why didn't I know the rest of it? I thought that was that.
Yes, I've heard enough heartbroken.
Maybe I only had like that part of the song. Yeah. Never just like download them off LimeWire and all.
Oh my god, yeah, that's so funny.
My laptop was fucking in bits after that. It was literally in the bin. It was ready for the bin.
And you get some. I used to download it off my like desktop, like a computer.
Oh yeah,
like outside in the like what's our other sitting room now, but it was called a workroom.
Oh,
because there was a computer in there. Like, why was it called a workroom? Because working from home wasn't a thing.
Yeah,
like, who was
so
working?
weird.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, even like people call like there was definitely like people had offices before. They'd have like an office in their house, but even though they didn't use it, but like a workroom is so dramatic, isn't it?
Yeah, a workroom.
That's gas. That's so funny. That's so posh of you.
So posh.
That's so
I'd say the computer was absolutely banjaxed after.
My laptop was basically a desktop because I had to have it plugged into the internet at all times, like the wireless internet.
Oh, yeah.
So I used to have to sit in the hall where the internet box was. I used to sit like on the floor with my back against the radiator on my laptop on MSN all night.
Oh my god, MSN.
Like that's where I sat. Like
I remember my mum and dad read my chats with this guy, and he was saying like all this stuff that I didn't understand, but I was just pretending to understand.
Oh no.
Like, he wasn't a creep or anything. He was like same age as us.
What was he saying? Like, what
he
kind
was
of
like saying like something about tea bags. I was like, oh yeah, but like apparently that's something else.
Oh no.
Well, I don't know, like when they put your balls in.
It's something like that. I actually don't know. But I know it's something sexual anyway.
I was so innocently being like, Christ. Oh yeah,
I love tea.
I love tea bags too. And then my mum's like, what the fuck is this? I was like,
that makes me cringe so much.
I know.
I think my mom like looked at my laptop as well, and then she got this like nanny thing so that I couldn't go on like sites.
Oh really?
And then it wouldn't even let me go onto like Bebo or MSN. I was like, you need to get rid of that, come on. And then she got rid of it. I was like, fucking hell, like what did I do that was that bad? I don't think she told me. It's probably just like talking to lads, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Or else it could have been like, remember like we'd like go on like fucking, what's it called, Omegle and all.
Oh yeah.
That like weird chat thing.
Oh my god,
Russian chat, or Russian, what's it called? There's another one as well.
I don't know.
I keep going to say Russian roulette. But there's another one like that. I feel like, oh my god. But yeah, it could have been anything like that. Like she probably was just like, oh, what's she doing? Like
so gas.
And then she's like, nah, you're not allowed anymore.
I wonder what would happen if you went on Omegle now.
Oh, I dread to think it. I feel like I saw someone on it, like someone put up a story on it before,
really?
And it was like a willy on it.
That's so funny.
It's just like perverts on it, like wanking themselves off, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's rank.
Do you have to like make an account or something? I
don't know. I can't remember. Like,
what the fuck?
Oh my god, you can do start chatting text or video. Porn or gay?
What the hell?
What? Oh, I'd say you're not allowed on it then. You must be 18 plus or 13 plus with parental permission. Supervision. Oh my god. Imagine you were like, Mom, can you supervise me on Omegle? And then like a guy comes up with his willy. We're on it now. I'm going to give you the option.
Wait, new chat. New chat.
Why is it just saying sex or gay? Oh,
Banned from Omegle. No.
I'm scared.
You're leaving Omegle.
It's probably because your laptop's like, no.
I think that it wants me to... What the fuck?
Oh Jesus.
What the fuck?
Jesus,
They were
there's
on like
woman
a
in bra.
porn thing.
It says 18 plus, this site contains sexual explicit material.
Talk to strangers.
Oh,
Why don't we just leave on the
I didn't know it
camera?
was that bad. I thought it was just a chat room and there just was weirdos that went on it all the time.
Yeah.
I didn't know that it was all of this. I think it's got worse. Oh
Yeah.
my god, look.
What?
You can send stuff down the bottom. It says new. You can send a soft moan.
Ew.
Or gay cams. What is that?
Wait. How do I unblock my camera now? Because I blocked it because I didn't really want it to be on. But now we can't use
I
it.
don't know. Oh, what, just show us some weirdo and pervert and let us live.
People were
I
like,
wonder
oh
if
my
we can do it on our
God.
phones. Because like, iPhones I think are pretty safe, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I go into private chat so that people can't see that I was on it. I really think there was another one as well. Russian chat room or something.
So allow your camera. Oh yay.
Ah!
Okay.
That's just some random, that's not even real. There's some girl in her knickers, but like it's just a
She's
picture.
not moving. Yeah, it's a picture.
You're chatting with a random
Oh,
stranger.
stranger is typing. The stranger is typing. Type your message. Right, hello.
That's just a random girl. You chat? Jesus.
Oh no.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Living the dream.
Yeah.
How about you guys?
We're also living the dream.
Are you
But-
like sisters or lovers or friends?
We're
or...
lovers.
Awesome.
Yeah, we just got engaged.
Sweet.
Yeah. What about
When's the
you?
wedding?
Huh?
When's the wedding?
Not sure.
Oh. Lack of commitment.
I'm not sure if I'm a lesbian or not. I'm a bit confused.
Well, you have time to decide.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have time. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. Bye.
Oh, fucking
Oh,
hell.
did he hang up on us?
Rude. Yeah, he disconnected. That was so weird because he wasn't even in it. He was a scammer that keeps coming up. Stop scamming us.
No, don't say really.
Oh.
I think that's just the waiting picture.
Oh, it's just an ad, like.
Yeah.
Like, that was just some random guy. Like, sitting in his house with not even
He
him
kind of
in it.
sounded Irish at the start.
He did. I thought
didn't
he sounded. I know that he sounded American then, actually.
Yeah.
At the start, it sounded kind of like a country accent, but
Yeah,
he
I was like-
American. But we were like, it was just like a picture of like his wall. Like, turn on your video.
Wait, do you want to put on an accent?
Yeah.
Chat?
Here's us with just our faces on it, like we're actually, hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Okay.
He was about 10, I can't. He was literally 10. Ah! Stop. That was someone playing with his willy, but it was through his face, so we didn't see the actual
so
willy.
weird.
But I got a real fright. It's like an adrenaline rush. It gets you like proper anxiety, doesn't
Oh
it?
god.
This one.
What's this? No, there's someone's camera on. What?
Kiss?
No.
Stop.
Oh, he's
Stop.
asking us to kiss.
Yeah, I know. So I said no. New chat. Hello. Hey boy.
Oh.
He didn't like
He didn't
us.
like
He
us.
didn't like us. He turned us right off.
Let's sing. Yes, you can hold my hand. I'll try sing again. And hold my hand.
He's just laughing at you.
I like him.
Keep singing.
Hi.
Hi. Keep singing.
Emma, you put your face in it too.
Yeah, but you're the one singing.
Okay, bye. We love you. You're our favourite.
I can say, rate my voice.
yeah.
And you sing, okay? Which
Oh,
people
does
keep
everyone
turning
turn us off?
Oh no, oh
Yes,
no.
you can hold my hand if you want to, 'cause I want to hold yours too. We'll be playmates.
He
and
said, may I see your
lovers and
feet?
share
He doesn't like your singing, he only likes your
secret
feet.
love. No. One more. and then
One
we'll
more,
go.
yeah, one more. Truth or dare, they
Oh
said.
god. Wait, before we start
Gorgeous.
before we start playing the game, I want to just sing you a song. Is there any particular genre that you like? I want to hear you do metal screams. Okay, I had a feeling that you would want that, right? Yes, you can hold my hand. If you want her, cause I won't hold yours too. Need some work. Rude as fuck. Goodbye. Oh, this should have been a YouTube video. But if you want us to do that, if you want us to do that,
and we can
on
screen
YouTube,
record on the laptop.
Yeah, we can't really put people's faces in it, but anyway.
Yeah, we can do what we want. No, we can blur them. We can't put a bear willy in it, but...
So from our Omegle experience, we saw 2 perverts
playing with their winkies. Well, it was just their trousers.
Yeah.
But still, that's too much for me.
A few blank screens, and then a few people were actually grand.
Yeah, some random woman just having a fucking cup of tea as well, wasn't there? Like a middle-aged one.
Yeah.
Quite random.
Anyway, sorry, how did we get onto that?
I actually don't know.
Like, we were literally
genuinely
planning to talk about the Oscars.
No, I couldn't tell you.
And then we ended up on Omegle.
Hey guys, I am just coming on to end the video here because of course I didn't. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.